Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of the tutorial on how to make a special move. So far you've done every one of your animations and all that, I'm sure. So now let's go into the constants and open up the character's constants file. Of course. So now it's going to look like CNS. Now the first time I kinda messed up. So I did the wrong one. But I told you, Ryu sucks. He's hard to figure anything out with. So now let's just open up this one. There. Okay. Now this right here should be it. If it's not, who gives a frick? We're still gonna do this. So now what you want to do is as soon as you get to wherever you want to place the move, you're going to let's just wait till I find my place. Crap. You know what, right here sounds good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to press enter, and then you're going to press the button after L, and then you're going to hyphen it all the way across, which is little lines. Then you're going to go to add and then projectile. Now you want to put the state def at 777 along with the second option, 777. Now that animation number is what is in the 777 when the projectile is actually executed, which is hang on, let me name this. So it's going to be the frame that the projectile is executed, which is going to be at least, okay, let me adjust the time, at least 3. So it's going to be the third frame, and then the last two. Okay, so now it's the third frame. Then the last two are going to be 888 and 999. 888 is the projectile. 999 is the hit animation. And we'll set the damage at about 90. So now we're going to click insert. Now the offset is wrong. Now you want to go in and you want to press 777, of course, to get there quicker, and then you want to adjust to the frame to where the projectile's at. Now there's your projectile. You want to find that, and then you want to adjust it to where you like it. And then the X and Y is what you're going to replace the original offset with. There you go. So in this case it should be 15-0. And if it's not, I'm sorry. So now we're going to put in brackets state 777 sound. Why did I do that? Well, I just spelled that for you. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put type equals play SND, no spaces. Then you're going to put trigger 1. They also have a template for this too. There's trigger 1. Sorry, my mic fell down, so I had to fix it. Then you're going to trigger 1 equals capital A anim, capital E elem, so it's going to be anim elem equals, and then you're going to put 3 because that was the frame that it was executed at. So now let's do that. So okay, 3. Now after that you're going to go down and then you're going to put the value as the sound in the sound file that it's at. So now you're going to open up a sound file, or SND, and then you're going to look for the sound that best suits that move. So you don't want to have a punching sound when there's a projectile. So I would say that maybe 15-0 would be good. How I know this? Just trust me. I had to do this video too. So yeah, let's just play that. And I have right there. Yep, it's 15-0. After that, you're gonna put capital S 15, comma, then you're gonna space it and then put 0. After that, you're gonna go down Then you're going to put the volume as 100 is good. So now, after that, you're going to go into the commands. After you go into the commands, you're going to open that command file, or CMD. If you know that from the command prompt, you should be familiar. Now, before I go on, there is supposed to be a special motions place, but since there is not one here, let's just leave this one at the top. So now you're going to press the keyboard looking button, and then you're going to assign the name, how many game ticks, which is actually the time. 20 would be pretty good. Maybe longer if you have to do more, and then the command that best suits you. So, how about we just go X plus Y. That means that you have to hit both X and Y at the same time to do the move. Now highlight. Then you want to click the joystick with the screwdriver. There you go. Now, after you do that, you want to put the name, in this case, which is a red ball. Then you want to put red ball there. And then you want to go to over where that is, and you want to click the red ball, the name of the move, then how it says X plus Y. Now in those two little marks, you want to put the name of that in the center of those. Because trust me, if you don't, everything's screwed up. That's how I lost to some of my good characters. God, was I angry. So now if that works, you would save it. You close that. Now you're going to run your Mugen so that you can go over to your character and check it out. Now if you get an error message, do not even follow the first thing in the first video. Do not even try that, because I really cannot help you with that. Now notice how that's way too fast, and I'm being able to hit him like just a buttload of times and do like all that damage. Well, now let's fix that, because I'm doing it way too fast, as you can notice. Let's exit out and go back into there. Now we're going to go back into the animations. Now where his starting stance was when he throws that is where the time, we're going to set it to about 7. Because you see how fast that's going? Let's set it to 7. See? I like that. Save it. Now let's go into the Win Mugen patch. Start up your Mugen. Of course, mine has a shortcut. Now we're going to open up, oops, wrong character. Now we're going to go in and select Ryu. We're also going to select Smoke. I don't know why. Now let's fight, and there's your result. A successful special move that also, well, does its damage and does not let you go that fast. And also there's the regular version. Like it? I hope you do. So, and that's how you code your special moves. And you can use that in character creation, but I've never actually created my own character, so, well, this is where the tutorial is going to end. Thank you.